Youth Edutainment welcomes everyone. Subscribe our channel for latest videos and also click on bell icon and also like and share and comment. We're going to present about blood. So let's come to know about blood. Blood function, blood composition. So let's talk about blood. Blood is fluid connective tissue that deliver nutrients and oxygen to cell and also transport metabolic waste such as carbon dioxide, urea, hormones, etc. The blood is composed of RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. Next thing is that let's talk about the function of blood within the body. Blood supply oxygen to tissue which carried by red cells. Blood supply of nutrients such as glucose, amino acid and fatty acid. Removal of waste such as carbon dioxide, urea and lactic acid. Regulation of core body temperature. Blood play an important role in regulating the body system and maintaining the homeostasis. Blood platelets play an important role in coagulation. Blood also maintains the body pH. The normal blood pH is between 7.35 to 7.45. The volume of blood in human body approximately 7% of body weight. An average adult body contains approximately 4.7 to 5.5 liter of blood. This is the composition of blood. Blood contains plasma, platelets, red blood cells and white blood cells. Blood is composed of RBC, that is erythrocytes, WBC, that is leukocytes, plasma and platelets, that is also called thrombocytes. You may learn in this figure. Next, whole blood is divided into two parts like that, plasma and farm element. Plasma is categorized into amino acid, nitrogenous wastes, nutrients. Protein is divided into albumins, globulins and fibrinogen. And formed elements such as platelets, leukocytes and erythrocytes. Leukocytes, that is granulocyte and agranulocytes, neutrophil, basophil, eosinophils and lymphocyte and monocyte. Next, red blood cells. This is also known as red blood corpuscles, erythroid cells or erythrocytes. RBC contain hemoglobin that carry oxygen to body tissue and also transport carbon dioxide from tissue into lungs. Normal RBC range 4.7 to 6.1 million cells per microliter in male, 4.2 to 5.4 million cells per microliter in female. The normal range of hemoglobin is 13 to 18 gram per deciliter for men, 12.0 to 16 gram per liter for women. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Next, white blood cells. White blood cells is also known as leukocyte. This is important part of the immune system. The test of WBC is called CBC. WBC originates in bone marrow. These cells help in fight infection against attacking bacteria, virus and germs that invade the body. The normal number of WBC is 4,500 to 11,000 WBC per microliter. There are 5 major types of WBC such as neutrophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils, monocyte and basophils. So let's come to know about platelets and thrombocytes. These play important role in blood coagulation. A normal platelets count range is 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 platelets per microliter of blood. Having more than 4,50,000 platelets is condition called thrombocytosis, and having less than 1,50,000 is known as thrombocytopenia. Let's come to know about plasma. This is yellowish color homogeneous fluid, form approximately 50% of blood. Next thing is that we will talk about the group, that is blood group. There are mainly 4 types of blood group. Carl and Steiner discovered blood group in 1900. There are mainly 4 types of blood group, that is group A, group B,